Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is AOFAR Military Compass AF 4580 Lensatic sighting. Military grade metal compass. Capsule made of thermoelastic liquid. Waterproof and with high accuracy. It performs admirably in all weather situations. Aiming line, magnifier viewer, tripod connector, reading eyepiece, heavy-duty zinc die cast, slope chart are all included. Floating compass dial with a 360-degree scale, changeable prism lens, and waterproof and shakeproof construction. With an optical eyepiece for easy sighting bearings and an azimuth 360-degree and reverse 360-degree scale, you may quickly and simply take bearings from you to the objects or reverse bearings from the object to you. The AOFAR AF 4580 compass can participate in activities such as hiking. The base and cover are made of metal and will last for many years. Motoring, boating, camping, mountaineering, exploring, hunting, and other outdoor activities are all possible. The floating compass dial comprises a 360-degree scale and a liquid-filled capsule to ensure stability. The sighting glass with reticle is easy to aim and read, and it has a level bubble to aid accuracy. With an optical eyepiece for easy sighting bearings and an azimuth 360-degree and reverse 360-degree scale, you may quickly and simply take bearings from you to the objects or reverse bearings from the object to you. When exposed to sufficient light, the north arrow and display illuminate in the dark with fluorescent light, allowing you to view the reading even in complete darkness. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best Lensatic compass list is Turn-on Sport Lensatic Compass. Features a sighting wire under the cover, a rear sight groove for reading azimuth headings, and bright sighting dots for aligning the sighting cover in poor light. Liquid-filled compass with a stable, accurate, and fast locating pointer. Hiking orienteering compass is designed for precise directions, making it an excellent all-around land navigation equipment for hikers, campers, Girl and Boy Scouts, and survivalists. This sighting also includes a case cover to protect the compass and reduce bulk. Lensatic after the fluorescent around the bezel absorbs enough sunlight, the sighting compass dial interface lights in the dark. Orienteering compasses enable you to navigate even at night without becoming disoriented. Our thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule with floating dial ensures that whether your objective is light discipline or simply practicing navigation at night, you will always be able to see your way. Our compass is ideal for camping, scouting, trekking, training, and other outdoor activities. Our compass promises to perform whenever and wherever you need it, thanks to the tripod screw hole on the base, adjustable diopter sighting glass, sighting lines on the cover, and handy paracord loop. This is where sighting lines on the cover, as well as a conversion table for angle, gradient, and distance on the back plate, come in handy. The compass's heavy-duty digital camouflage printed cover and water-resistant nylon pouch ensure that it will withstand even the harshest situations. Our third choice is Sportnear waterproof Lensatic compass. Sportnear Lensatic compass with clinometer for easily measuring slope angle and elevation while camping, climbing, skiing, or trekking. A liquid-filled compass with a 360 degrees scale provides consistent and accurate readings of up to 0.5 degrees, as well as a clear reading through the telescopic sight. The military compass glows in the dark with green fluorescent symbols, making it simpler to achieve a clear and quick reading. It comes with a sturdy canvas pouch and lanyard for easy portability. It is constructed with a high-strength, expertly crafted metal base, sturdy metal construction, is waterproof and shake-proof, and can survive even the worst conditions. Our waterproof hiking compass is dependably dependable. The professional Sportnear compass is a dependable, long-lasting, and straightforward navigation aid that will never lead you astray. Because of its luminous lettering and dial, you can readily see the characters on this compass even at night. The camping compass, which is strong and waterproof for even the hardest conditions, provides a clear reading and navigation every time. This compass is composed of high-grade industrial metal that is both strong and long-lasting. After absorbing enough sunlight, the luminous magnet arrow and compass card allows you to read data in a dark setting. In the dark, this feature illuminates the dial for data reading. Fourth pick in this best Lensatic compass list is Zeitski Military Lensatic Sighting Compass. This high-grade military compass is one of the greatest camping survival equipment for field trips because it is waterproof and shake-proof. Ideal for vacation camping, hiking, kayaking, climbing, adventure expeditions, outdoor animals, emergencies, and anywhere off the beaten path. This military compass revolves very freely, and the dampening oil improves pointer stability. With a built-in bubble level that helps improve accuracy and reduce errors, you'll always obtain an exact reading. Tough and tenacious, the military construction with waterproof and shake-proof qualities is designed to withstand the most difficult hikes. The compass interface illuminates in the dark, so you can find your way even at night without getting lost. Rugged metal body with foldable metal top, floating compass dial with 360 degrees scale, adjustable prism lens, sighting telescope. The pouch and lanyard make it easy to transport. Excellent for outdoor enthusiasts. It has an IP54 waterproof rating and a robust metal structure, so it operates well in adverse weather conditions. Hiking, navigation, camping, maritime, boating, adventure, travel, hunting, geology, and other outdoor activities are all possible. A built-in bubble level helps increase accuracy and reduce errors. It will almost always point you in the proper direction. Our fifth and last choice is Kaminga Tritium Lensatic Compass. This aluminium pocket compass is the best pocket compass on the market. It functions successfully in harsh temperatures and is accurate to +/40 mils. Survival is more likely with this professional tactical compass. A survival guide supported by our government. This precise trekking compass will keep you safe. The self-powered lit pocket compass illuminates for almost 12 years. This handheld compass is waterproof, sandproof, and has a powder-coated aluminum frame for maximum durability. Hiking compass that is waterproof. Hiking compass, camping compass, surveyor compass, backpacking compass, hunting compass, youth scout compass, boat compass, and orienteering compass are all examples of handheld compass applications. Compass with a worldwide needle that works perfectly everywhere on the planet. If you're a world traveler, this compass is a must-have. A valuable tool that allows you to see your objective landmark as well as the compass for more precise navigation. It has a LED light and luminous markings, making it simple to read even at night. Declination is adjustable. It is a valuable feature for hikers and other outdoor enthusiasts who have taken long journeys in various parts of the world. Clinometer, a device that measures the vertical angle, steepness, of a slope, useful for determining avalanche threats and object heights. Other features include a magnifying lens, measurement scales, in inches, and 1 to 25,000, and a lanyard with an LED light. I also packed a little screwdriver and compass. This orienteering compass might be just what you're looking for before heading out on your next walk.